We'll guide you through how to move Dropbox files smoothly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your list of files and folders. To move a file, simply navigate to the folder where the file currently resides. Click on the file or folder you wish to move to select it. You'll notice a toolbar appearing at the top. Click on the Move button in this toolbar. A new window will pop up, showing your Dropbox folder hierarchy. Here, you need to choose the destination folder where you want to move your file. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the folder quickly. Once you have selected the destination folder, click on the Move button in the pop-up window to complete the process. Your file will then be moved to the selected folder instantly. If you're moving multiple files, you can select them by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on each file. Then follow the same steps to move them all at once. Remember, moving files in Dropbox doesn't create duplicates. It simply changes their location, so you won't have to worry about storage space being taken up by duplicate files. If you ever need to organize your files better or want to ensure everything is in the right place, this move feature is super handy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.